Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about lesson number 3, Kingdom Plantae. As we have discussed in previous chapter, that five kingdom system that is given by the Whitaker, in which we divide the organism into five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. So that system was given by the Carolus, by Whitaker, and certain other scientists like Linnaeus and Aristotle. They also made the classification system. Such systems they were considered as artificial system of classification. As against this artificial classification, natural classification system was developed, in which based on natural affinities among the organism and considered not only the external feature but also internal features like ultrastructure, anatomy, embryology, and phytochemistry. In here, certain taxonomy based like numerical taxonomy, cytotaxonomy, and chemotaxonomy, they were keep in the mind about these taxonomical studies and made their classification more and more clear, so that the understanding of organism becomes easy. Now here the plant kingdom that is mainly divided into cryptogamy and phanerogamy. Cryptogamy are those plants which are non-flowering, means they do not produce flowers, while phanerogamy, they are the flowering plants. Cryptogamy or non-flowering plant further divided into thallophytes, bryophytes, and pteridophytes, while flowering plants they divide into gymnospermy and angiospermy. Thallophytes they further divide into bacteria, algae, fungi, and lichens. Bacteria, fungi, and lichens we have already discussed in chapter number 2. Here within this chapter we will discuss only the algae. Bryophytes they are called liverworts, while pterophytes they are mainly represented with the help of ferns. While in gymnosperms they are considered as the naked seed-bearing plant, because in these plants the seed is not enclosed within the fruits, while in angiosperms they are considered as fruit-bearing and that fruit contains seed in it. Angiosperms they are further divided into monocots and dicots organisms. Now algae. What is algae? Algae are usually aquatic, some being terrestrial also. Mainly they are found in plants. A few algae grow on other plants by symbiotic association. Algae also grow in marine water or fresh water. They may be small, unicellular, microscopic like cholera and Chlamydomonas, or multicellular, unbranched filament like Spirogyra and Ulothrix. Spirogyra or Ulothrix they are present in the form of fragments, or they are branched filamentous like Chara. In colonial form they are present in the form of volvax, or huge macroscopic such as seaweeds which measure more than 60 meters in length, for example sargassum. These are the different states of algae in which it is found either in fresh water or in marine water. The algae cell wall consists of two layers. It means that made up of two layers. Inner cell, that is cellulosic, means made up of cellulose, while the outer cell that is made up of a specific protein that is called pectin. The algae consists of various type of photosynthetic pigment, means those pigments which is responsible to trap the solar energy and prepare their own food. And due to the presence of these different pigments, the algae they are found in different colors. Mainly these pigments they are chlorophyll A, carotenoids, and phycobilins. The reserve food material which remains stored is in the algae is in the form of starch, laminarine, starch mannitol, or fluoridine starch, etc. These are the reserve form of food which is present within the algae.